First up, red onions. Slice one red onion into wedges. Red onions are loaded, and I mean loaded, with antioxidants. They get their beautiful color from something called anthocyanins, and they're also packed with quercetin. What does this mean for you? These bad boys fight off damage in your body, helping to protect you from chronic diseases like heart problems and even some cancers. Next, let's cut one red bell pepper into 1-inch pieces. Ever wonder what makes red bell peppers so good for you? Get ready to be amazed. These sweet peppers support your immune system with vitamin C, protect your eyes with vitamin A, and deliver a dose of awesome antioxidants. Healthy, delicious, and so versatile. Now we're going to cut one yellow bell pepper into 1-inch pieces. Don't just pick them for their color. Yellow bell peppers bring incredible health perks to your meals. From being one of the best sources of vitamin C to providing eye-healthy nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin, these peppers are a delicious way to stay healthy. Okay, now it's time to slice one medium-sized green zucchini in half, and then into smaller 1-inch pieces. And yes, we're going to leave the outer skin on to make sure we get all that delicious chlorophyll. This versatile veggie is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can do wonders for your body. From supporting a healthy heart and digestion to boosting your immune system and even helping with weight management, green zucchini is a delicious and easy way to add a ton of goodness to your diet. Let's add 1 cup of sweet cherry tomatoes to our sliced veggies. Now let's cut our pre-cleaned 1 pound of boneless chicken breast into 1-inch pieces. Chicken is an excellent source of complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for building and repairing tissues, especially important for muscle growth and recovery after exercise. Chicken contains important B vitamins like B6 and B12, which are crucial for energy metabolism, brain function, and the formation of red blood cells. It also provides minerals like phosphorus and selenium, important for various bodily functions. Alright, now it's time to make our marinade. In a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of dried basil, 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped rosemary, half a teaspoon of ground garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Mix well. Here we're going to completely coat our chicken and veggies with the marinade and mix well so that everything is thoroughly saturated. After we've mixed well, we're going to leave it to rest at room temperature for 20 minutes. Also, During this time, we'll soak our wooden skewers in water so they don't burn in the oven. If you are using metal skewers, you don't have to worry about soaking and can skip this step. Using the pre-soaked skewers, arrange the chicken and vegetables in alternating patterns. Before arranging the skewers, take this time to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. As you can see, I was able to get 7 skewers to fit on the pan. However, there were still enough ingredients to make around another 2 to 3 more skewers. We'll put these in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. With everything completed, this entire recipe totaled to 832 calories, 108 grams of protein, 38 grams of carbs, and 27 grams of total fat. 2 servings of this recipe, which is half the amount, or around 5 skewers, comes to 416 calories, 54 grams of protein, 19 grams of carbs, and 14 grams of fat per serving.